Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix FC26 cannot load preloader DLL error. This will be an easy fix, so follow me step by step to get it fixed. Before we do begin to this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. Now without any further ado, let's get straight to fixing. So the first thing that I'd recommend is by opening up your browser as so. Any browser will do. Now on here, go ahead and type in Microsoft Visual C++ right here. And as you can see, this will be the first one popping up. Just make sure it is the C++ redistributable downloads, okay? Go ahead and click on Microsoft Learn. Over here, go ahead and go past the first table over here and go to the second table. Go ahead and click on the link whether your PC is x64 or x86. Go ahead and click on one of this link. And for me, I have 64-bit, so click on 64. Once downloaded, do the installation process. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC and your FC26 should be fixed. Now, if that does not work, the last thing that I'd recommend is by going on your securities right over here, Windows Securities. Go ahead and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down. Click on Manage Settings for Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down once more. Actually, go ahead and turn real-time protection off for a moment. This will be primary. Administrator will pop up. Just go ahead and click on yes, and it looks something like this. Once done, scroll down on exclusions, either remove exclusions, and here you will need to click on the executable file for FC26. So click on add an exclusion, go to file, basically find your executable file for FC26. Once you click it, just go ahead and click on open, and it should be somewhere over here. As you can see, Resident Evil is currently on my exclusion, and that worked for me. Now once done, go ahead and exit. Lastly, restart your PC once more, and your game should be fixed. Anyway guys, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.